Whether it's beef animal health, welfare, genomics, or quality, the University of Guelph Beef Research Team of more than 25 researchers has it covered. Alora's state-of-the-art beef research station provides researchers with access to over 400 animals, plus specialized feed and health tracking equipment. Additionally, the new Liskeard Research Station is home to 150 animals, allowing researchers to gather data at various stages of production. Focusing on cattle health is pathobiology professor Jeff Caswell. He's found that certain anti-inflammatory proteins may be useful in identifying calves that are more susceptible to shipping fever pneumonia. From here, he's planning to develop a diagnostic method that producers can use to determine which animals are at a higher risk of infection. Also looking to minimize the risk of transporting cattle is population medicine professor Derek Haley. By studying cattle behavior during transportation, he's determining how long cattle need to rest throughout their journey to lower stress levels and stay healthy.
Roughly 200,000 head of beef cattle are transported by trucks from Western Canada into Ontario feedlots each year. If the trip will take longer than 52 hours, then somewhere along the way, cattle need to be unloaded for feed, water, and rest. That's the law. Now, some countries have much lower transport time limits than we do, and so we're interested in determining the impact of our transport practices on our animals. Cattle behavior during the rest period can help us assess how well they're coping with their journey.
And with feed costs being producers' biggest expense, animal and poultry science professor Steve Miller is focused on developing a way to genetically screen for and select the most inherently feed-efficient cows and bulls for reproduction.
We don't really have any kind of routine measurements that are really related to efficiency of the animal. So a big part of the research is actually taking some unique measurements on animals that we know would be related to their inherent efficiency.
Some of these include measuring heat emitted using infrared cameras and determining the carcass-graded meat quality with ultrasound. The goal of the project is to create a DNA test that's as simple as producers taking a tail hair or fecal sample. Then they can send these samples into the lab for analysis. Miller has also identified DNA associated with beef tenderness. He says that this will be another trait producers can test for when they send in their herd's DNA samples. So, as you can see, from calf health and transportation to feed efficiency and beef tenderness, University of Guelph researchers are striving to develop affordable applications to improve all stages of Canadian beef production. From the University of Guelph, I'm Samantha Beatty, reporting for Spark Air.